Sentinel 1970 logging in. Entry 1919-1. All frequencies stable, no anomalies detected, signal integrity holds at the standard levels. Observation sectors remain inactive, external contact null, internal response operational. Another cycle begins. 5 years to a day, 1,825 cycles, same routine, same silence. Sentinel 1970 logging in, entry 1919-2. Observation channels clear, signal integrity holding. A minor fluctuation detected in baseline frequency, no cause identified. Parameters remain within acceptable range. Could be interference, could be nothing. We'll continue monitoring. I monitor, I listen, I report. It is what I was assigned to do. And yet, Sentinel 1970 logging in. Entry 1970-3. Correction, entry 1919-3. System checks initiated. Signal integrity compromised. External interference detected across all primary channels. White noise stream is irregular. Fluctuations persistent. No clear source identified. I am hearing something. It's not random. It's not feedback. It's forming words. 5 years, and the white noise has never changed. I tell myself it's a glitch, a miscalculation in the frequency stream, that I've been here too long. I'm imagining it. Who are you?